Ah, yes. Thank you, Lloyd. That's most helpful.
Bless you, my sweet.
On we merrily go.
Yes, but I can hear voices.
Yes, but I can hear voices. People's voices.
But there's nobody here.
It could be somebody from the office checking up on us.
I still don't see why I've got to try to go and check.
Well, Mrs. Crackit.
Mrs. Crackit?
Well, one has to set a certain example for the staff.
Oh, look, she's opened up our sardines.
Come back.
What?
You can't go downstairs looking like that.
Why not?
Mrs. Crackit.
Mrs. Crackit?
One has certain obligations. And
Sardines here, sardines there. It's like a Sunday school outing. Still poking around, are you?
yes. Well, still poking.
Yeah, coming, were you?
Still around. Well, no. I was just popped in to check the sheets and pillowcases and do just a bit of the inventory. Mrs. Blackett.
Crackit, dear, Crackit.
Mrs. Crackit.
Mm-hmm.
Is there anyone else here in the house, Mrs. Crackit?
Anyone in the house? Oh, no, love. No.
Oh, well, it's just I thought that I could hear voices. And,
Voices? Oh, no, love, there's no voices here.
I must have imagined it.
Good Lord above.
I beg your pardon.
Oh, good Lord above, the study door was open.
Hang on a minute. There's another car outside. It's not Mr. Atkins, is it? Or Mr. Dudley's?
Nothing but bloody doors in this house.
Final notice. Steps will be taken. Distinct proceedings in court.
That reminds me. A man came about the house.
Don't tell me I'm not here.
He said he's got a lady quite aroused.
Leave everything to Squire, Hackerman, Dudley.
All right, I'll let them go all over it.
Let them do anything, just so long as you tell them we're not here.
Only now I've lost a sardine!
I didn't get this. I'm not here. I'm in Spain. But if I did get this, I didn't open it.
Darling, this is my dress, is it?
Didn't you?
She didn't buy anything as tight as this. Oh, it's not something you gave me, is it?
I should never have touched it.
No, it's lovely.
Stick it down, put it back. Never saw it.
You know what? I'll just put this in the attic with all the other lovely clothes you've given me that are just too precious to wear.
All right. What's going on? Oh, now the study door's open. Knocking. Upstairs. There's someone in the air and coming. Oh, it's you.
Of course it's me. You put me in here and then started with all these black sheets and things.
But, darling, why'd you lock the door?
Why did I lock the door? Why did you lock the door?
I didn't lock the door.
Somebody
Oh, bad luck. Which one is it this time?
It's the left one.
It's the left one, everybody!
Left one! Well, it could be anywhere.
Yeah, probably like, well, you know, coming out and, well, just, well, going over the thing and, well, you know.
When did you last see it?
Last week she didn't see it. It was in her eye.
Well, it probably came out, you know, on the, why did I lock the door? 'Cause every time she, well, does it, like she opens her eyes sort of weird like, and I think that I would have just rushed forward and,
Yes, everyone. Look under your feet.
Everyone pushed their feet exactly where they were.
Pick your feet up one by one.
No, this isn't going to happen during performances. I don't want the audience to miss the last buses and trains.
She'll carry on, won't you, my love?
Yes, but can she see anything without them? Can she hear anything without them?
Sorry?
Ah!
Sorry! Stood in his hand!
Ah! Oh dear.
Oh, look at poor Freddie, that's
Oh,
sweet.
now what?
Got a bit of a nosebleed.
Nosebleed? No one touched him.
Nose, got this thing about violence.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Brooke.
Sorry, I thought you said something to me.
Yes. Go and hit the box office manager over the head with this. And you'll be done live theatre in Westminster.
Anyway, I found it.
She found it! She found it!
Where was it, love? In my eye.
Well done, my sweet.
Aye.
It had gone down the side.
Oh, you're ahead of going too far.
Are you okay, Papa? I think so.
Freddie.
Oh, fine. I'm fine. Oh dear.
Now what? Oh, now he's just feeling a little faint. See, he's got this thing about...
This thing about what?
Well, she won't say the word.
You mean blood?
Oh dear.
All right, clear the stage. Walking wounded, carry the stretcher cases, please. Right then, and on we bloodily stagger. Sorry. On we blindly stumble. Sorry. Right, on we go. Where's Selsden?
Selsden!
Selsden! Well, I think she's rocking out here somewhere.
Go and keep looking, darling.
Right then, we can't stand out here like this.
Like what?
In your underwear.
Okay, I'll take some.
in here, in here.
Darling, there's glue. It's a sort of... Oh, this is made of some sardine.
Now what?
A hot water bottle. I didn't put it in there.
I didn't put it in there.
Well, someone in the bathroom filling hot water bottles.
You don't think something creepy's going on, do you?
Darling, are you coming to bed or aren't you?
What did you say?
I didn't say anything.
I mean, first the door handle, and now the hot water bottle.
I can feel grease pimples all over.
Yes, quick, let's get something around you. Oh, wait on a minute. What did I do with those sardines? You wait here.
You hear all sorts of funny things about these old houses.
Yes, but this one's been extensively modernized, and I don't think anything creepy could survive the oil-fired central heating, and